Fucking stupid.
Be fast.
Thank you. Awesome. Yes.
I got now. I need your help now. I'm stuck at you.
Fuck, really? Oh man.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
We change our position. Let me try use a grenade.
Yeah, we pull his ass out and he loses us.
Don't move, don't move. It didn't work.
There we go.
No.
Now we're still stuck.
Yeah. Be careful. No, triad. Can I? Fuck, man. Don't move.
Oh shit! I thought it was clear.
Hey, pay attention, Archie. Take a drive. Triad, don't move, Triad. Fuck. Somebody was stealing our vehicle. Don't move. Continue driving, Archie. Archie.
What?
You gotta go faster.
I'm hung up.
He's almost done.
I know. No.
No, faster.
Wait. We need more power.
You're almost out, Archie. Oh no! Get Archie. He's there. He's easier.
Okay.
I'm more tuned.
Just a minute.
Go get him. He's out. Oh shit.
Fuck. Is it recording?
There you go. No.
Yes, it is.
Yeah?
Get him. Yes. He's out.
Okay. Wait.
We're fucking ridiculous.
Yeah. I need power.
You're good.
Now, yeah. Oh. Who's shooting? Give him a space, Triad. I'm coming. Oh, I hit the post.
I watched you.
Now, Archie. It worked? Almost. Fucking man. Can we play now? Yeah, good. Oh!
Yeah, they're watching us. Go, run.
Did you see it?
What the fuck happened?
I got stuck
Ow.
there.
Oh,
What
happened?
Yeah, man, the car coming to me so fast, and I died in killing action. and you're still stuck in, man.
I got stuck again.
Oh fuck, guy. That's Archie.
I'm leaving. Fuck you guys.
Oh, my screen showed me a different situation. It's a bug.
It's a bug, yeah, it must have been. That was weird. That was very fucking weird. That was crazy shit.
One more.
Yeah, okay. I'm trying.
Oh, is he stuck? What the fuck? Oh, shit.
I thought he was destroyed with me.
No.
Yeah, but my screen showed me it.
Oh, fuck, am we stuck?
You too?
Oh, no. This piece of shit bridge. This is shitty map building.
No, it isn't. We can do a perfect game there. Here.
Oh, lies. No.
Wait. Oh my goodness. Is
This
really
game-
recording?
This game isn't broken at all, you guys.
Hey, make sure if it is recording, man.
It's recorded. Ain't no.
Okay, do not delete this game. Do not.
Somebody hit me hard. Hit me hard.
Oh shit! Yes.
Yeah, it worked.
Yeah, it kicked me out. I don't know why. Oh shit.
It's really funny.
Dude, this is bugged. It is not us, man. This shit is bugged.
No, it's not a bug.
This. Oh, that's not a bug. This,
We are a
this
newbie.
fucking- This, yeah, we're noobs because this shit is stuck.
I'm coming fast.
Why not just go down and let it explode?
We're newbies. Babe, you're missing the fucking joy in this. Baby, we've been stuck this whole game.
Oh, there is another LAV there.
This is
Can you
so funny.
see? Enemy LAVs here.
I see it, I shot it.
Oh my, I can't believe it, man. I never seen it before. And trying shooting with the car. Trying using the gun car to shoot the LAV, man.
I'm about telling the enemy to help us, you asshole.
God, this is terrible.
Hilarious. Good shit.
I think Archie is not be funny with it.
Man, that was tough.
No, Archie, don't spawn on me. Okay, let's destroy this fucking shit. Yeah, destroy them all. Destroy them all. I haven't. No, do not repair, man. Destroy
Okay,
them all.
alright.
Yeah. Let's respawn. Yes. Another one too. I'll kill myself to spawn on LAV again.
I can get this one out, I think.
Oh, it was funny. Oh my.
I don't know how the fuck that happened. Wow.
Oh, and the game it was gone.
There's a damn road, man.
We did nothing there.
Now I got killed by a fucking mortar round.
That shit was hilarious.
We ain't never gonna leave here, man.
Got-
It's bullshit.
You're all mad. Daryl's all mad. That shit was funny and
I want to shut that one off. I hate to